Hey everyone! To celebrate hitting over 1,000 members in my Discord and hundreds of students in my 3D modeling masterclass, I figured it was time for something fun. With spring here and summer around the corner, it's the perfect time for a new community challenge. The theme? The 3D Artist's Desk. I'll be creating the main room and desk, but it's going to be up to you to create all the assets that are going to fill this room. This is your chance to add your personal touch, whether it's a tablet, a mouse, a monitor, headphones, or something completely different or personal to you, like my little controller that could be for the Xbox or PlayStation. Maybe you're an anime fan and love little figurines, or you love Legos, something like this, or a fully manned Typhoon class submarine. Or maybe not. I think you get the idea. Now the focus here is to create game-ready assets. I'll compile all of the props into a final scene and share it with everyone who participates. Now here are the specifics. You are to create one game-ready asset with a limit of 15,000 tries. You can go right up to that or way lower, it's entirely up to you, but know that the max is 15,000 tries. As far as textures go, we will be using PBR or physically based rendering textures. That includes base color, roughness, metallic, emissive, and normal map. And the submission deadline will be June 14th. I'll put together the scene in either Blender or Unreal Engine and share it with the community. 3 winners will be chosen by industry professionals that are personal connections of mine. Winners will get free access to my course and a one-on-one session. Whether you want a mentorship, project feedback, career advice, or just want to nerd out about 3D. To join, hop into the Discord and check out the events channel for all the details, submission info, and updates. Let's build something cool together. I'll see you there.